Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've been waiting for this moment. Today I finally got my hands on this brand new AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. In this video, we will unbox them together. I will share my first impressions and also talk about why I chose these instead of the Pro model. A full pros and cons review is coming soon, but this is all about the unboxing experience and my early thoughts. Alright, let's open it up. Okay, first we've got this classic Apple packaging. Written, designed by Apple in California. Yep, inside we got some paperwork. It's clean, minimal, and satisfying. Yep, this is the guide. You can read it later if you want to. These are the paperworks. They're not providing any stickers. Back then they used to. That's kind of disappointment. That's okay. Here it is the AirPods 4 charging case. The case feels little more compact and premium compared to the old models. Bottom, you will see the USB-C port and a small speaker grill. That's for Find My Alerts. We'll talk about that later. And very handy. A little update has been done by Apple. Back then in the old model, we used to have a option on the back of the case. Here we have this invisible button where we can, turn a case into the pairing mode just by pressing double tapping on it. Now let's check out the earbuds. The stems are a bit shorter than the AirPods previous models. Overall, the shape is more contoured to fit comfortably. Unlike the Pro models, these don't have the silicone ear tips. They are open fit, which I personally prefer because it's lighter and more natural for all day users. And these things you get in a box. As soon as I put the AirPods 4 ANC in, the first thing I noticed is how comfortable they feel because they are open fit and don't use silicone tips like the Pro models. They sit really lightly in the ear. That makes them perfect for long listening sessions, and they are also IPX4 sweat and water resistant, so I can use them at the gym or outdoors without worrying. Now, why did I go for the ANC version instead of the regular one? There are few reasons. First, you get this active noise cancellation, which is actually rare in open fit earbuds without the silicone tips. It's not as strong as the Pro series, but it cuts out the background chatter and street noises well. Second, they include adaptive audio, which automatically switches between the ANC and the transparency mode depending on where you are, like walking outside or sitting in a cafe. And you get all the Apple extras, the spatial audio for music and movies, head gestures to answer or reject the call, and of course the USB charging, USB-C cable, which works with the my iPhone and MacBook cables. This was just my unboxing and first impressions. In my next video, I will dive deeper into the tech details, new upgrades in these AirPods 4 ANC, and of course my full review with pros and cons after using them for a while. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that.